Hello, this is Team 5 presenting the project on process management. We have come up with a startup called as Avenger Enterprises, and the purpose of this startup is to connect used good sellers to used good buyers, whereas at the same time providing quality check as well as logistics support. So why do we need this project? To connect the used good sellers to used good buyers in a university environment. The important thing to note over here is that this concept and this process is going to work only in small cities or small university towns. We have taken Champaign and Urbana as a consideration over here. And why do we need this process? Because there is no existing quality used good vendor and interface. The keyword over here is quality. We're going to provide a process map explaining the operations and an interface for customers to interact with each other. The interface is the next step in the process, and we're going to provide quality assurance, pickup service for picking up the used goods from the customer's place, warehousing. We're also going to do marketing and customer awareness, as well as we'll try to utilize TPS to make a highly effective process. So when we came up with the first iteration of the design, this is the whole process map. We have calculated that the supply, the number of people who are willing to sell goods is going to be 12.3 items per day, and the demand is going to be 10.1 items per day. This has been done using customer survey analysis and customer demand analysis. The process map is as follows: the customer willing to sell the product puts it up on the website. The customer care calls him up to ask what time will be right for picking up the product, or if he is rather willing to come and drop it off at one of our drop off points. The logistics is deployed if the customer wants us to pick up the product from their place, or he can drop it off at our one of our stores. Then there's a quality check process, sorting process. Sorting is where to put the item in the warehouse storage or recycle, depending if the product cannot is not fit for our warehousing. Repair, to fix products which require small amount of repairing. And then the customer places the order online, or he can come up to one of our stores, check the product and pick it up. Delivery of the product, and this is where the whole process chain is completed, where the customer has already purchased the item. We have written down the factors: the flow time needed in days, and labor needed. So you can see that work time we have calculated at 480 minutes per day for each employee, 10 minutes for customer care, 35 minutes for a person to go from our warehouse to the pickup point. Also, this logistics employee, he will be on the field the whole day, and he'll be coming and dropping off the product at the end of the day. We have come up with the whole process time, this is the first iteration, as 2029.5 minutes. But then we realized that there are some problems with our existing system, so we combined the TPS Toyota Production System to make our make our process a more effective. So you can see that we have clubbed logistics with sorting and quality check, and so by doing this, we are employing a highly trained person who can do quality check when he's going to pick up the product. Uh, so at the same time, he'll be carrying a machine which can print stickers, and which is going to tell whoever scans the machine when it comes to the storage where to put the product. So by using effective technology and stickers, we are reducing the time taken to sort the product at our storage facility. Also, we have added a parallel process of buffer and repair, the same way it is in the TPS system. So this way, in the previous process, the repair which was after storage, this can be a potential um, roadblock, but we have removed this by just creating a parallel process over here. Rest of the process is same: storage, online, or pickup, delivery. And we can see the flow time has been reduced. The overall process flow time has been reduced to 1599 minutes per day, whereas it was 2029 minutes in the previous process. This is the flow chart comparing both the processes at the same time. You can see that here storage is still at the same time, but repair has been shifted to buffer plus repair, and logistics has been combined with sorting and quality check. Scaling up factors will be taken into consideration: labor, area division, calculating demand and modify the design, utilization ratio, and future tie-ups. Problems we might face are logistics, over purchasing, warehousing cost, and low utilization of resources. Thank you.